Hey, it's Anissa bringing you the vintage LED fireplace. Now, we had a similar one last year and we had so many requests to get a bigger one. And this one is definitely bigger so you can enjoy the realistic flame so much more. This is a great way to add beautiful ambient lighting that's truly unique. And it's super safe. It's got a series of LEDs that make this realistic flame, and the logs just add to such a beautiful warm glow. And you can use this almost anywhere. Use it on a coffee table, a mantle, a bookshelf, or make it the centerpiece in a table. And you can even use it outdoors. It is weather resistant, but if there's a storm coming, make sure you bring it inside. And what I love is it's got this little folding hanger, so you can actually put this on a shepherd's hook to get a truly unique look. You'll love how portable this is. That means there's no cords or wires, so you can put this anywhere. It runs on 2C batteries. Those aren't included, but we have a great deal on our site. The rich, authentic look is achieved by the brushed finish, which will match any home decor. So if you're looking for a way to set a warm, cozy mood, this is the lantern you want. Plus, we have a great deal on it. And when you buy more, you save more. So head on over the site and grab one or two today.